Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change your location on your account on Shein easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application. Next, click on your profile icon, the profile here down below, and here you will find the settings section. Click on it. Now as you see here, you will find the location, the language, the currency. So here you can find the location, so you can change it as you want. So the common location here, so you can change it according to your country, whatever you want. So that's it, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.